Good morning, it is Monday morning and we have Big Kizza in the hizza.
Big Kizza.
So as you can tell, we have just cracked a joke and I can't remember what it was, but this week, what we're doing this week, we have got 3 bedrooms to go do for a repeat customer, which he has changed his house massively. He's got all that stuff on the ceiling and
yeah,
it looks beautiful, which we'll show you in about an hour. And then what else we got this week?
and then we've also got a little hallway Thursday, Friday.
Little hallway Thursday. Little hallway Thursday, Friday.
Yeah, little hallway Thursday, Friday, just straight lay, nice and easy.
So yeah, bit of a busy week. We will film as much as we can. Let's go.
Right, smooth this shit over. I was half tempted just to fit that little bit, but
Do you want a hand?
I don't know. I don't know whether what it's such an awkward room. It's just, it looks bigger than it is. Silly.
Silly. It's only 9 square meters, isn't it?
You alright?
It's only 9 square meters.
Oh yeah. Just look bigger than it actually is, if you know what I mean.
Oh, that one, dick. As soon as it goes in there, like, oh, is that it?
Big thing.
What's going on? We're doing the border today. I don't know what Kyle's just said. I know Kyle's doing the 2 straight rooms. Have you showed them the straight rooms? Pundit. I'm guessing he showed you the straight rooms. So here's what we did yesterday. We cut it all out ready. And I've got the strips ready, which I'll show you now. So we're doing 3, you know, like we did in the last video. I don't know if you watched that, but refer back to the last video if you don't know. So we got a black, a white and a black, and I just set these up. Kyle showed me this, but we set these up, and so in essence you do one on the outside, and you do 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, masking tape them all up, and then they're pre-made, ready to go. Then we can just glue around the perimeter and place them in. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I don't know if he's showing you, but he's doing a second patch on all of this now.
Oh, look at you go.
So yeah, as I don't know how much we're going to be able to get recorded today, but it's really difficult to work and record at the same time, but we'll try our best. What I'll probably end up doing is doing a bit, showing you, doing a bit more and showing you, and kind of working out that way. So Kyle's just doing some straight lay rooms. He gets the fun part, so I'm going to crack on.
Just talk, man.
Right, this project all done. As I say, Kyle has been doing the straight lay ones, and well, to be fair, you prepped all of them.
Yeah, I prepped all of them. It was me that prepped them all, and Josh just had the joys of doing the border with a herringbone.
So we'll run through Kyle's first. Obviously, we have followed on from the landings that we did about a year ago, and we've done 6mm ply, feather twice, and straight lay.
Yeah.
So
This was all done last year at some point. It's been a while. But yeah, it's the other little room. It was a little bit emotional with a little bit of furniture, ply boards and feathers and things, but it's been alright.
I've just been happy to be here.
Just happy to just be here.
And then this
is the nicest room.
This is the masterpiece.
This is what Josh has been doing.
But obviously you prepped it, so
Yeah, I mean, I don't really count.
I just ran around with the drill and started screwing around you. So, but yeah, no, herringbone with 3 strip borders, 1 plank going around the perimeter, and it's gone pretty well, to be honest. As I say, the only issue we've had is the furniture, isn't it? It's been a bit.
Yeah, we ran out of plank chests today, but that's why we're here today.
Yeah, that's my fault though. I got the sizes from the customer and I didn't check it myself. I was being lazy, so. Yeah, that was that one.
So yeah,
the project done, and then we've got the hallway to do tomorrow, which is karndean, Van Gogh range. So we're following on. So it should be a nice day tomorrow as well. So today we are doing a hallway. There is, you know, the old school finger blocks down are laid on like sheet, and then they've got bitumen adhesive, blackjack, whatever you want to call it. We're taking that up in a hallway, I'd probably say what, 4 by 2 meters, and then we've got to then screed it ready for LVT tomorrow. So as you can probably hear in the background, Kyle's currently got like the big SDS drill and he's going at it, but yeah, let's go see what Kyle's doing. Oh yeah.
So Josh,
So Kyle,
what are we doing?
I'm being a labourer.
You're a labourer anyway. What do you mean?
Labourer of the fruits of. Ignore that.
Fruits of the loom.
Fruits of the. Yeah, that's what our t-shirts are. Currently, well, you have just gone ham on the blocks.
Yeah, it's all gone. It's all gone.
So we're currently just sweeping it up, and we're going to patch in this channel because I'm guessing that's an extension.
What are we using?
Arja rapid repair. We've got an exterior one as well, so it's not affected by moisture.
Why are we doing that?
Because if we was just to screed this now, we're going to come back tomorrow and have to patch the hell out of it anyway. So if we do this today, it means we've got less work to do tomorrow with the whole patching side of things. And then once that dries, we can then
Prime it and
screed it. Yeah, we've got latex, obviously, because of the blackjack. Because you start grinding this up, there's a chance there's an asbestos in it, which we do not want to be doing. So, yeah, bit of a F-ball 1200 we're using.
Yeah.
Yeah, F-ball 1200, moisture tolerant, go straight over this. That's what we're doing.
Yeah. All the nooks and crannies.
This is why you should clean your tools.
Yeah.
Was this one me?
This one was you. Yes. It's got screed all over it and everything. Shocking, I tell ya.
It weren't me. Even though it might have been me, it still weren't me. Yeah, so basically when you finish a screed, just get some water and just give it a little rub, because this is what you have to do if you don't.
You have to spend money.
Knee breaking.
Well, I don't know. You're on camera now, so whatever you say, I can take to court.
Right. I just feel like plyboard falling over in my van. I know it's my van, but that's not my fault.
But you used my trowel last and put it right next to somewhere dangerous.
But we probably loaded up the ply together.
Agree? No, not agree. I don't know. But either way...
Why don't we let the people of YouTube decide this?
Right, people of YouTube. Josh has broken one of my trowels. He ruined one of my trowels, but I've just cleaned it, so it's fine. I let him off on that one. He also accidentally may have done it on purpose. Broke a £1,000 sander that we then had to buy. Because plyboard keeps falling down in his van. Now anyway, as we were saying, Josh has broken a lot of lovely expensive tools. And yeah, do you think it's my fault that I've left the tools in the van and not put them back properly, or is it Josh's fault because it's his van?
That was good timing. Not everything's always as perfect as it looks on Instagram. Now obviously you can buy spike shoes. They're a bit cheaper. They're like plastic with metal spikes on the bottom. But then you can also get, are they made out of rubber?
What's that?
The better spike shoes, you know, ones at like 80-90 quid.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never actually seen them. Obviously I've seen them,
I used
not used them or felt them.
Yeah, I used a pair once on that resin course, but they're basically a lot better. You can buy them and they're like 80-90 quid. But the good thing about those is they've got like, you know, like a flip-flop. The bit that goes over your foot, that basically has a lot of rubber coming down and it basically molds to your foot. So you just keep your shoes on, put your feet straight in like sliders, and away you go. Right, that's Kyle's screening all done, and it is looking very sexy. Ow, I'm getting attacked.
So I believe me and Josh are now going to Ambience to go and get a box of flooring because we ran out yesterday on the job. So we're going there, then we're going to go and finish off that job, and then I believe it's home time. But I'll let Josh tell you all that.
Not the biggest of jobs, but the little ones are just as important as the big ones.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Right, what are we doing now?
We are going to get Mackey's.
McDonald's, let's go.